Hey everyone, welcome back to Algo Ace Arena. If you've been dreaming of landing a job at Google, Amazon, Microsoft, or top startups, you've probably asked yourself, what exactly should I study for data structures, algorithms, and system design? Well, in this video, I'll give you the complete syllabus roadmap, from beginner to expert, so you know exactly what to prepare, what to skip, and how to approach it smartly. So grab a notebook, because this one is going to be your ultimate DSA plus system design roadmap. Before jumping into topics, let's understand the goal. Top product companies don't hire people who memorize code, they hire people who can think in terms of efficiency, scalability, and trade-offs. That's why your preparation needs to be split into two parallel tracks. 1. Data structures and algorithms, DSA, for problem-solving and coding interviews. 2. System design, for real-world design and architectural thinking. Let's start with DSA first, your foundation for everything. We'll divide DSA into 5 levels, each building on the previous one. Before diving deep, make sure you know time and space complexity, big O notation, understand how to analyze your code, math fundamentals, GCD, LCM, prime numbers, bit manipulation basics, recursion and backtracking concepts, the foundation of problem solving. How to prepare. Start with small problems on recursion and complexity analysis. Use platforms like LeetCode Easy, Geeks for Geeks, or NeetCode YouTube. Here's what you must master. 1. Arrays and strings, sliding window, 2 pointers, Kadane's algorithm, prefix sum. 2. Linked list, reversal, detect cycle, merge, intersection. 3. Stack and queue, balanced parentheses, next greater element, monotonic, stack. 4. Hash map, hash set, frequency counting, subarray problems, caching logic. Why important? These are the bread and butter for almost every FAANG coding round. Trees, traversals, DFS, BFS, lowest common ancestor, binary search tree logic. Heaps, priority queues, top K elements, heap sort, scheduling problems. Graphs, BFS, DFS, Dijkstra, topological sort, union find, connected components. Why important? Graph and tree questions are favorites in mid-senior level interviews. Dynamic programming DP, subset sum, knapsack, LIS, matrix DP. Greedy algorithms, interval scheduling, Huffman coding, minimum platforms, divide and conquer, merge sort, quicksort, binary search patterns. How to prepare. Practice pattern-based DP questions instead of memorizing. Understand the transition formula. Try autocomplete systems, segment trees, Fenwick trees, range queries, disjoint set, union find, graph connectivity, bit masking, state representation and complex problems. Once you've covered these, aim for medium to hard problems on LeetCode and mock contests. It's not about quantity, it's about pattern recognition. Now let's move to the second half. System design, usually asked for 2+ years experience or senior roles. Understand, client-server model, load balancing, caching, database indexing, difference between monolithic versus microservices, scalability concepts, horizontal versus vertical scaling, resources, grokking system design, tech dummies YouTube, Byte Go, learn about, databases, SQL versus no SQL, caching, Redis, Memcached, queues, Kafka, RabbitMQ, storage systems, S3, CDN, blob storage, consistency. Models, CAP theorem, eventual versus strong consistency. These are the Lego blocks of any scalable system. Now apply concepts by designing URL shortener, tiny URL, Instagram, Twitter feed, WhatsApp chat system, YouTube recommendation engine Uber, Bonsenbratsestober, Oberchach, Ola booking system. Here focus on API design, database schema, scaling strategies, and trade-offs. Here's how you can approach your journey strategically. 1. Start DSA plus system design in parallel after 6 months of coding. 2. Solve 1-2 problems daily, focus on understanding patterns. 3. Read system design blogs or case studies once a week. 4. Revisit your solutions. Try to optimize them. 5. Discuss your approach. Mock interviews are game changers. Bonus tip, maintain a Notion or Google Sheet to track every problem and concept you master. You'll see your confidence skyrocket in 3 to 6 months. So remember, DSA builds your problem-solving muscle, and system design builds your engineering wisdom. Master both, and you can confidently walk into any interview, from FAANG to the hottest startup, knowing you can tackle anything they throw at you. If you found this roadmap helpful, drop a comment saying, FAANG ready. Like this video, subscribe to Algo Ace Arena for more detailed breakdowns of each topic. Keep learning, keep building, and keep acing your algorithms. Would you like me to now make a visual storyboard version, showing what should appear on screen, like animations, topic slides, background clips, B-rolls, etc., so you can plan your editing and visuals next?